Jongsi na anu kapre phan ning dogrong lapen nang partner phan jongsi break up je phan sa chance kiri lapen nang alang phan pang mikrang blote hala so bang phumate abang phi lapo anu important nanglong pen answer kelong je phan atheke nang kopia posalang phan avoid ma mate kopia posalang phan ignore no. If you're not interested anymore, if you don't like him or like her anymore, pulutang te kapachini ke kenang so, but without giving an answer and avoiding that person is not right. Atheke hala so minute ko anu ne adu ke do hala ke nang chini ne. So right now, if you are answerable to someone, jongsi nang kumanya phan answer ke pinang ji alam do pulote alang phan clearly pen chithan dam kalite alang nang phan nang hong ding po nang kopi po salang phan break up ma kopi po salang phan ki utikang ma lapen kopi po se alang phan ning ki dok tema hala so alam ke chini je phan se alang nang hong ding po. Please let them know so that they don't waste your time on waiting for you.